Step 1. Identify the trigger. Every bad habit starts somewhere. Stress, boredom, loneliness, a certain time, a certain place. You don't just wake up and act. Something activates it, and most people, they never notice it. They just repeat the cycle. But once you see the trigger, you stop being unconscious. And that's where control begins. Step 2. Replace the habit. You can't just remove a habit because it's giving you something. Relief, distraction, comfort. Take it away completely, and your brain will fight back. So don't remove it. Replace it. Same trigger, different response. That's how you break the loop without feeling empty. Step 3. Make it harder to continue. Right now, your bad habit's easy. That's why it wins. It's one tap away, one decision away, zero resistance. So change that. Add friction. Make it inconvenient. Create distance between you and the habit. Because the harder it is to access, the weaker it becomes. Step 4. Stop negotiating with yourself. This is where most people lose. They don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they negotiate. I'll start tomorrow. Just one more time. It's not a big deal. That voice sounds logical, but it's lying. Every time you negotiate, you reinforce the habit. Every time you act instantly, you break it. No debates, no delays, just action. Bad habits don't disappear overnight, but they do weaken every time you choose differently. So the next time the urge hits, don't think, don't wait, act, because in the end, you don't break habits by hoping. You break them by refusing to obey them.